All right, on to question number 2. Combine this derivation of the reparameterized camera light field with the imaging equation that expresses the recorded image as the irradiance on the sensor plane to derive the computational refocusing equation that expresses how the recorded light field can be reparameterized and integrated to compute images refocused to different depths. All right, that was a mouthful, but let's just take this one by one. So we are going to derive this imaging equation that expresses the recorded image as the irradiance on the sensor plane. So that is this equation here I've written out. It was also in the introduction to this question. And now, instead of this equation, we want a new one that uses our answer from before, so from the previous question, and will give us the correct amount of irradiance. So let's first just go ahead and replace this part of our equation with what we derived before. So this is 1 minus 1 over alpha okay. So this is almost the answer, actually. So we did most of the work in this previous question. There is one more thing that we have to change, and that's this constant here. So this has to be 1 over the focal length squared, but actually, since we are refocusing our camera, or our photograph, we want a different focal length. We want f prime, so this instead should be f prime squared. Or actually, I'll just rewrite it here. This should be 1 over f prime squared, since we have a new focal length here. In the solutions, you'll also see that they wrote it as 1 over alpha squared, f squared. These two are just the same thing.